Hello children, I hope you all are eating healthy food and drinking a lot of water. I also expect that you are learning many new things from your parents and utilizing your time well. Are you helping them by doing small jobs for them? I know you all are good and obedient children, so you might be doing. Solve worksheet 1 given on page number 30. We will only solve the questions which are related to the lessons in the first term. So look at this worksheet. Have you all taken out this page? So look here, question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Body parts are also called dash organs. organs, organs. Number 2 is dash is an external organ. So in external organ you can write many things. I have written nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Nose is an external organ. You may write hands, foot, leg, ears, anything you can write. Now next, third one is not in the syllabus, so we'll not do this. Fourth one, we should bathe with dash and dash, soap and water. S-O-A-P, soap, W-A-T-E-R, water. Fifth one is not in the syllabus again, so leave it. Now come to exercise B. Tick the correct option. We have to tick the correct option. Three options are given. So tick the correct one. So listen children. First one is I have dash hair. So which hair you have? Short, straight or curly. So you can write any answer. Like if you are having short hair, tick short and write short hair. If you are having straight hair, tick straight and write straight hair. And if you have curly hair, you can tick this and write curly hair. So this blank is to be filled by you. It's up to you how you have to fill. Now question 2. We eat with our dash. Mouth, hands or legs? Of course, mouth. So mouth is the correct answer. You can see the spellings M-O-U-T-H. So write mouth here. Next is dash help us to see things. Eyes help us to see things. So write eyes. E-Y-E-S. So E should be capital here because it's the first letter of the sentence. Fine. My father's brother is my dash, but it is not in the syllabus. So we'll cut this cross, put a cross here. Next one is also not related to our lesson in the first term. So put a cross here. Cricket, hockey and football are no need to do this. So put a cross. 4 and 5 you need not do now. Next comes answer in 1 or 2 sentences which are to be done in the notebook, but all the 3 questions are not related to the lessons of first term. So no need to do any of the question answers from this worksheet. So put a cross on all the 3 questions. Understood? Yes children, our first term syllabus is over. So let me introduce you with the second term syllabus. So lesson number 6, 8, 9, 10 and 12 are there in your second term. Apart from these lessons, worksheet number 2 and 3 is also there. Now let us begin with the lesson number 6, different types of houses. So this is just for fun. These letters are given. You have to rearrange the letters to form the right words and write them in the space given below. So, what is this? A living room. So, Living, living, ROOM, living room. You can search the letters and make a word here. Next, this is your bedroom. So, BED, 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 and ROOM, room, bedroom. Next is kitchen. This is kitchen, KITCHEN, kitchen. You can see the spellings from here, beta. Next is bathroom, BATH, bath, room, ROOM, bathroom. You may fill it later on. You have understood, I think. What is written here? Let us read. I am Sangeeta. I live in my home. It protects me from heat, cold, and rain. It also keeps me safe from thieves and animals. It makes me feel comfortable and happy. I feel safe in my home. Why do we need a house? We need a house to live in it, because a house protects us from heat, cold, and rain. It also keeps us safe from thieves and animals. Understood? Whenever you remain at home, you feel so happy at your house. Whenever you go to market or somewhere else, you get tired, and then when you reach your home, you relax there. You are with your own members of the family and you enjoy with them, relax at home and feel safe too. So, house is necessary. A home is necessary. A house is just a building, but a home is a house with the family members. Understood the difference between a house and home? Okay, now turn the page. Children, there are many kinds of houses. In villages, you might have seen kacha house. Kacha house, and where you are living, that is made up of bricks and all. Bricks, cement, iron and glass. So that is a pakka house. Kacha house. This is a kacha house. These houses are mostly seen in the villages. You might have seen in films, or if you have visited any village, you might have seen there. They are temporary houses made from mud, straw, wood and stones.